Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So while enrolling in extended security updates on your Windows 10 computer, if you're receiving this error, something went wrong. And if you're receiving this error code that is 21470235579, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So when you try to enroll, if you receive this error, at the bottom right here you can see retry option. So hit retry. Once you hit retry, it will take you to this screen. Now over here you will see an option sign in into your account. So you have to click on sign in into your account. Now once you click on sign in into your account, it will take you to browser. It will open account.microsoft.com on in your browser. And once it opens, if it prompts you to log in with your Microsoft account, so you have to enter your email and password, the same email and password with which you are trying to enroll. So enter the same email and password, your Microsoft email and password, and then log in. Now once you log in, again you can go back and then you can click on enroll now, or you can click on retry. So try to enroll, click on enroll now once again, and then if it is asking you to enter your email and password, you can enter it, and then once done, you should be able to enroll. So you can try to enroll multiple times. Click on enroll now, then click on retry, then go to Microsoft website, log in with your email and password. Once you logged in, you try once again, and then you should be able to see you are eligible to enroll in extended security updates. And then you can click on enroll, and that should help you to enroll. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.